Hello, everyone. Prepare to be sick of me, y'all. Prepare to be sick of me. Towards the end of the month and the beginning of the month, the videos be dropping. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know down in the comments. Do you mind? I'm just saying this is when it's busy. I usually have a little break towards the middle, but we gotta hit y'all with the 1-2 now. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Cause you know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is what? Free 99. It costs you nothing. All right. So today's video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up now. I mean, y'all OGG, triple OGs, some of y'all been rocking since Target Nicole, makeup, hair, all that. But if you're new, still give me a thumbs up. Make sure your notification bell is turned on. Hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be what? Cash savings challenges, and we got some changes. I was gonna wait till next quarter, but I'm like, girl, do whatever you gotta do now. That's a word for somebody. Get it started now. We don't need to wait for quarters to change, months to change. We just need to be doing it now. If you're new here, I have 3 saving challenges currently, and the first one is a monthly challenge that I was supposed to be saving towards appliances. I saved the money for January. Next, I was trying to save enough for February, which is $56, and so on and so forth. It's basically just the number of the months times each day. So if it has 30 days, 31 days in December, it would be 1231 times. Then we had another one that was given to me by one of my really good friends, and this was the Bible challenge, which I'm really loving. And each testament has a different amount due. Each book of the Bible has a different amount due, like so. It was a $534 challenge, which I love because it's a much smaller challenge. And then last but not least, the same friend, shout out to you, Tori Boo, Cali Girl Budgets, and this was supposed to go to YouTube. And then we had this was supposed to go to Possible Furniture, was $1,000 saving challenge, and I love all of them dearly. Like, I was rocking with them, but then one of my coworkers thought of me, because y'all know I've been talking about budget at work too. Okay, yes I do. And she was like, her husband had bought all his coworkers or his friends 100 envelope challenge to do, and they're doing it like a competition, and he had bought an extra one. And I think he bought this on Amazon. Y'all know we don't really support the Amazonians that do this challenge all the time, because they be robbing it, or is that Temu? I don't know. Some of them be robbing it and giving it like the cheapest whatever. But I was so grateful to get it that I revamped it myself. So I got this keychain from work, and it says, never forget the difference you made. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in here, but I had these in here so I could show y'all what these look like. So when it came with a whole bunch of these. But if you're not new here, you already know my issue with these. I don't like to fold my money. It's just my personal preference. If you fold your money, I love you. It doesn't matter. I don't like to fold my money. But I kept these here because I was like, I think I want to keep one of these in here and do like little cards, like inspirational cards to go in the front here, because they almost remind me of little card holders. The other one was just to kind of show y'all what was going on. What I ended up doing was Clever Fox had sent me a binder that I use all the time, y'all, but I don't use their envelopes. And this was an A5 binder, as this is also an A5 binder. The binder came, the original binder from Amazon came with a whole bunch of these and this sheet. This sheet had all the numbers from 1 through 100. It told you how much you were supposed to spend. Save, 1550. And I believe with all the 3 challenges combined from my original saving binder, it was the same or less. So I was like, why not just do one saving challenge and put all my money towards this? All right. And so this is coming out now, y'all. Literally, that was just to show y'all. I don't like that. It's like cute. What did I do with the numbers? I got 10 envelopes and I put the numbers on the back here, 1 through 10. So 10 increments of 10, 11 through 20, 20 through 30. Like, y'all get it, okay? And so there are 10. So there would be 10 envelopes. There are actually 12 envelopes in here. The extra envelope is called Hold Your Horses. I just wrote that on there. This is where I'll keep any extra money. So if this money that I'm going to be stuffing, or this, so there's two. There's Hold Your Horses and like where the money resides, right? So the money that this Hold Your Horses will more be for, like, let's say the envelope I'm working on is number 60, but I only had $20 saved. I put $20 in there until I get to the 60 and can move it to its respective envelope. Hope that makes sense. This is going to be like where the money resides envelope, where the money I'll be stuffing for that week will be. I hope that was explained well. I am not a teacher. I'm trying, though. So with all that said, this money is in the wrong envelope, but this is what we had left over from our variable spending. $1 here. So 20, 40, 50, 60, really? 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. There's $71 here, and that was supposed to be what we're cash stuffing into this 100 envelope challenge, right? I am actually very excited that I'm going down to one challenge. I love to watch all the people with Tiny Tuesdays and like small stuffings and all the things and all the different stuffings. But baby, I'm not that. I'm not that girly, and I'm okay with that. If I could just focus on saving all my money in one place, I take this little $100 envelope challenge as a blessing, because I've been thinking about it for a while, but I've never done it. So now what I'm going to do, y'all, and you know, I'm just going to take the money out that I had saved in these as well, right? Because I'm going to just start filling up this $100 envelope. I'm hoping to be done by the end of the year and be able to allocate this money. So we had $31 in this challenge. That is now going over here to put the 20s and the 10s and the 5s in the same one, because I'm going to put the 5s and the 1s in the same ones, because we only got 3 slots. This is my bootleg Dollar Tree cash envelope holder thing, okay? And this one, we only had, in our Bible challenge, we had 10, 15, 16, 17, $18. Okay, $18. We're not mad about it. All right. And then last but not least, in our 1K, like we literally just started this. So this challenge came right on time. And your girl is trying to be flexible, okay? Most physically and mentally and literally. What is in here is $10. So we didn't get very far. And so, amen, we're saving all of those too. Okay. So now let's see what we actually have to work with, because it's no longer $71. We now are stuffing into our 100 envelope challenge 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, that's 120, 121, 122, oh heck, 127, 128, 129, oh, 130. So we have $130 that we're stuffing. I wish I was like, let's knock out these big numbers first. Girl, no. That's not me. I'm the girl that's like, I need instant gratification immediately. Show me that I've done something. So I'm going to get my calculator out and figure out how many of these small ones I can do. So I have 1 through 10. Can I get through 1 through 10? I'm going to add.
Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10.
$55. All right. $55. So we had $120. $120, and we're about to use $55. We have $65 left. Amazing. So $55 going here. Going once, going twice. So that's 20. No, I don't need that. Yeah, 20, 40, 50, 5. Yeah. Oh, girl. 20, 40, 55. So we have $55. Our first envelope is fully done. Who's excited? I'm excited. Who's excited? I'm excited. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know this is a little different than most people are doing it, but baby, it makes me happy. Okay? So now I'm going to get my little handy dandy, what's this called? Sharpie. And I am going to fill out all of these. And I'm going to speed through this. Don't you worry. Actually, I hate that. I don't want to do that. I don't like that at all. So what I'm going to do is actually just make X's underneath all the numbers, because I actually have this spot to do that. So I'm going to just make X's under the spots to let you know that I've done it. Because I think marking them looks crazy to me. So all this envelope, all done. X marks the spots, they're done. How much more can we do? So we have $65 left. Let's just double check. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, we have more than $65. How much do we have? 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, we have more than $65. Did I do something wrong? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. For heaven's sakes. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. There's $75 left, not $65. So, yeah, clearly I made a mistake somewhere. So, 75 plus 55. We had 130 to start with. Maybe I just forgot. So, or I added wrong. Whatever it is, we're now back on the right pack. So, 75 minus our next set of numbers. 11 minus 12 minus 13 minus 14 minus 15. Okay, so we can only go to 15. Okay? It looks like. Oh gosh. 15. So 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 is $65. Which I thought. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, $65. You're annoying me. There's $65 that's going in here, and that I should be able to scratch off. I will be able to X off or check off 11 through 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, now we don't have enough to do 16. We only have $10 left, or we should only have $10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoop. We have $10 left. And so that means what? We're going to put $10 in Hold Your Horses. We only do this once a month. So it makes sense that I could put in February, I had left $10 in Hold Your Horses. So I know when I come back, I should have $10 there. And then we'll do our March, and we'll see if we have any left over. And then we're just going to put 0 in January. Yay! So excited. Anybody loving it? I love this. I love this because I feel like we've gotten so far already. We have got 1 through 15 done. Amazing. So that 1 through 15, 1 plus 15, 1 plus 2 plus 2, all the way to 15 is probably $120. Chill. Don't start this. We just started putting money in. We can't be not closing already. That might have been this thing. That's it, y'all. Quick, fast, in a hurry. That should go much faster next time, I think, because I wouldn't be explaining to you how I plan on doing this, and I wouldn't be explaining all the previous ones. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you come back to see how much we get in our 100 envelope at the end of March. God willing, we will be here. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. Super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever,